Hey guys, John with Great Dent Repair, Minnesota here, just about to start work on this 2011 Audi A8. Got a little dent here in the right front fender, goes through the body line here. This is an all aluminum car. There's going to be some additional challenges to go with that. But, we're going to get it back to good and back to beautiful. I'll pan around and get some good shots of the damage here, and we'll show you how it's done, and we'll show you the results when we're finished. Thanks so much for watching.
And as you can see, this repair turned out very nicely. And because we were able to fix it with Paintless Dent repair, we avoided repainting the car, avoided having any Bondo in there, and we were able to maintain the vehicle's factory finish, which is by far the most resilient and the most valuable paint job you can ever have on your vehicle. Additionally, maintaining the vehicle's value because there will be no negative reporting on the vehicle history report, and we were able to take care of the repair in a matter of hours instead of days or weeks at a conventional body shop. So if you have dents or dings, give Great Dent Repair a call, 651-492-DENT. Thanks so much for watching.